Hey, I'm Moose.
I'm Eddy.
And today we're gonna do What's in the Box challenge.
Yes, we are on GGC campus. It's hot, and they're gonna guess what's in this box.
Yeah, we're gonna put random stuff in this box and you get to see their reactions.
That's good. That's pretty good.
Moose!
Yeah, Daddy!
What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Ali Jackson. Wow. It's your boy Ali Jackson. I am a cinema and media production major. And I'm handing it off to my man here. What up, everybody? This is YouTube. We're gonna get within this box. My name is Ryan Sideboard, and we are. I'm a screenwriter, actually. Can't take you over.
I'll drop quick psychology major.
My name is Malia Jordan. My major is exercise science.
My name is G. I'm a psychology major. My name is Ant. I'm a business major.
My name is Nina. My major is nursing. My name is Veronica. Major nursing.
Alright, my name is Zach Hicks. I'm a film major.
Hi, I'm Samantha and I'm a psychology major.
Oh, my name is Sonia. I'm a political science major.
And we're about to guess what's in the box.
We're gonna guess what's inside this box. Yeah, some weird guy came up to me and said, "You want to guess what's in this box?"
Wow.
So,
Figure out what's in the box. Figure out what's in the box. Try to guess.
Is it that like non-Newtonian fluid or something? That is something I've never heard of.
Fluid is, dog.
Nice and gentle.
It's a bit lower than that, guys.
On three.
You
One,
got to
two,
get
three.
in there.
Get in there.
Get in there.
Get lower.
No fear.
None.
None.
It's like,
What's up, man? Good?
I don't know.
What does it feel like?
What does it feel like to you?
Yeah, honestly, it feels like gummy bears, but I know it's not. Like, there's clumps of something in there.
It's not
I
about
thought it was like a shell. Or
Yeah,
like a
describe the item. Touch it again and describe the item.
I think it's an animal.
What do you?
Not an animal.
What is
I'm
it?
not touching it. It's a thermos.
It's actually not that weird.
Wow.
where did it?
Yo, bro, it's gonna bite you. Chill.
Pretty close.
I'll run out this video right there.
I say baby lizard. It gotta be like a lizard. It gotta be like a lizard.
Can we give them a hint?
It's so soft.
Like a little bit of a hint?
I'm pretty sure.
They're never gonna figure it out.
No, I'm gonna figure it out.
Is it like the tapioca pearl?
So, okay, so describe what you're feeling.
Answer?
What is that?
So, what's your final answer? Thermos? And your final answer?
She said a turtle.
Alright, peek inside the box.
What is that, a speaker?
No, it's actually, it's a camera.
It's a camera lens.
Can I change up my
Alright,
answer? Can I
alright.
change up my answer?
What is it? Do you think it's in the box?
Silly pudding.
Silly putty? So we got silly putty.
You still my same answer.
And we got putty. Alright, so you can open your eyes and take the items out.
That was just cheese.
It was cheese.
Chickpeas.
So both of y'all on chickpeas?
I think it's bees.
Alright, check what's in the box.
Oh, bees. Oh,
You felt it. I don't know how long.
Is it a candy bar? Candy bar. It's not?
So is that your final guess?
Is that your final answer?
I think it's an animal.
You think it's an animal, you think it's a candy? Okay. Well, take it out of the box.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Boy, you got Bro, just like
Alright, you can take a look in the box.
wow.
What's your final verdict? What do you think is in the box? I have no idea. Alright, take a look. Bro, it's beans. Moose, Eddy, back again. We're
gonna touch what's in this box. I'm a little scared.
Whatever it is hot and bothered.
It's hot and bothered, and I don't want to get bit. I don't know what it is. All right, so
On three. 1, 2, 3. Feel it? I don't feel anything. Did it move? Where is it?
Oh, where?
chill.
Oh, it has like little hands. All right. Okay. Is it a mouse? Oh, it grabbed you.
It grabs you.
It's not a mouse.
I guess it like doesn't like dark.
It feels so.
Ivy,
feels
why
so
did you
small
leave this in
and,
your
like,
bag?
Wait, take it out.
Oh, it's a mouse.
That's what that was.
And it kind of peed on me.
Wow.
Sure.
Yo, what
It
happened?
looks like a deed.
It looks like he died.
He's playing dead.
He's playing dead, maybe?
Wait, flip him around.
Flip him around. No, like
Grab him.
There you go.
So what was in the box again?
It's a squirrel.
This has been What's in the Box challenge. It was fun. I was not expecting a hamster.
I wasn't expecting a hamster either. They peed on our hands.
Yeah, but I think the funniest part was the bees.
Gotta love the bees.
Gotta love the bees.
But we had fun today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.
I'm Moose,
I'm Eddie.
and do the thing.
Do it.
Yeah.
Now.
Why are you still doing it? Go and do it.